Hi, welcome back to this presentation skills tip series. I'm Arvind Kivesra. I'm a coach, trainer, and author of the book 11 Secrets of Effective Speaking. And today I'm going to speak about a very important aspect of public speaking. Scene 1. My daughter walked into the house. She had come back from college, sat on the bench to take off her shoes, and like every excited teenager, she wanted to share everything that she had experienced with her mom. On the other side, her mom was standing in the kitchen, right opposite to where my daughter was, and busy with her work. She was, of course, interested in listening to what she was saying. In a couple of minutes, all that I could hear was thumping of feet and my daughter walking away, and bang! Her room door closed. My wife was wondering what happened. Scene 2. Imagine you're watching a movie on your TV, and for some reason you have to look away from your TV screen. Are you able to comprehend what is being said? Unless, of course, you are in the mood where you close your eyes and are appreciating the music. But otherwise, it would be very difficult to understand what is being spoken. Scene 3. As I'm talking about the topic today, you might be wondering, who is this guy talking to? And you may not really like the way I was just talking. Now, what is common in all of these three scenarios? What is it that caused my daughter to walk away getting angry? You not being able to comprehend what was being spoken? Or right now, you not liking the way I was speaking to you? It's the eye contact. Eye contact is the most important aspect for any speaker. Because if your audience does not feel that you are looking at them, if you lose your connect with your audience, they are not going to be able to appreciate or understand what you're saying. For that matter, some of us may even feel insulted as to if you did not want to connect with us, why did you invite us for this session? So remember, friends, make sure you have the right kind of eye contact with every single person in the audience. Now you may ask me, Arvind, how long do I look at someone? Is it 3 seconds? 5 seconds? Well, don't worry about counting your time in seconds, because if you try to do that, you might forget the most important thing that you're supposed to do as a speaker, which is talk. But a simple thumb rule is, look at someone till about a thought or two. Till the time you complete a thought or a sentence, look at one person, and then you can move about looking at the other person. Make sure the look is just a look, it's not a stare. Otherwise, you may end up at the receiving end of a notice on the next day. If it's a larger group, obviously you cannot look at each and every individual, but you can make each and every individual feel that you are looking at them. Think about your school days. No matter which corner you sat in, no matter how much you tried to hide, you always felt that your teacher is looking at you. Now, thanks to law of physics, it's taken care of. Because when you look in a particular direction, as you go farther, the angle of vision widens. So everybody in that area feels you're looking at them. So a simple nod sideways or a simple nod up and down can make the entire room feel as if you are looking at them. Having said that, make sure you are not scrolling around the room, because that would be something like Upar wala dekh raha hai. The camera roving on, and in this case, the audience is smart enough. The moment you reach at one end and start moving to the other, the audience on this side knows for the next 7 seconds you're not going to be back, and they can do anything that they like. So don't be predictable. You want to make sure you have an eye contact with all the people in the room, but make it random. Look at one side, complete a thought, and then once the thought is completed, you might randomly want to pick another corner. Keep your gaze there. Friends, let me assure you, if you get your eye contact right, if your audience feels that you are looking at them, they would feel important, and that's when they would want to listen to you. Just like I believe you were listening to this video. If you found this video interesting, make sure you like and share it with your friends, and please put in a comment if you have any questions related to presentation skills, or I will be glad to make another video to answer those questions that you may have. Until the next video, thank you.